Now, students, this is your next simple adverb of reason. It shows reason, that is cause and effect. एडवर्ब जो बताता है कि ऐसा घटित हुआ, इस कारण से उसका प्रभाव यह पड़ा. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस सिंपल एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन इज दिस इज व्हाई, दिस इज द वन एग्जाम्पल हुआ, ड्यू टू व्हाई मीन्स कास्ट एंड इफेक्ट, सो अतः एटसेट्रा. यू हिट रवि, दिस इज व्हाई ही इज एंग्री विथ यू. यू हिट रवि, तुमने रवि को मारा, दिस इज व्हाई, यही कारण है कि ही इज एंग्री विथ यू, वह तुमसे नाराज है. Second example you can say, help me so I help you. तुमने मेरी मदद की अतः so I help, मैंने तुम्हारी की. Actually these are the clause and is being added by these words like, and these are the performing here like conjunction, but meanwhile these are the showing reason also and adding this. So this is the example of simple adverb of reason showing the cause effect relationship. And next one is the simple adverb of purpose. It shows cause of action और why action takes place और why action took place. कारण क्या है कि एक्शन लिया गया. so that like I am working hard so that I can get good marks. मैं कठिन परिश्रम कर रहा हूँ so that ताकि मैं अच्छे रिजल्ट ला सकूं. दिस इज द माई पर्पज. एज यू सो यू रीड. दिस एग्जाम्पल कैन बी पुट हियर, जैसा तुम बोगे वैसा पाओगे. और सेम थिंग पर्पज इज हियर, एज यू सो मीन्स आई एम शोइंग मीन्स कुछ लगा रहा हूँ बेटर ताकि मुझे अच्छा मिले. सो पर्पज एंड रीजन बोथ आर हियर थ्रू द दिस एग्जाम्पल. सिंपल एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री, इट शोज और रिप्लाइज हाउ मच और व्हाट एक्सटेंट ऑफ द एक्शन. मीन्स जो एक्शन है जो भी है वह किस हद तक किया जा रहा है. पार्टिकुलरली ये मटेरियल और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन के लिए यूज होता है, लेकिन ये एक्शन को यहाँ यूज किया जाता है एक तरह से. इट रिप्लाइज हाउ मच और व्हाट एक्सटेंट, किस हद तक या किस सीमा तक जो है वर्क हो रहा है. क्विकली, ऑलमोस्ट, होली, फुली, एब्सोल्युटली एटसेट्रा आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंपल एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. फॉर एग्जांपल माय वर्क इज ऑलमोस्ट डन. ऑलमोस्ट मींस लगभग पूरा का पूरा हो गया है. हाउ मच, टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट. नियर मींस नियर टू कंप्लीट, एंड. आई एम फुली सेटिस्फाइड, पूर्ण रूप से, कोई वो नहीं है. यू आर एब्सोल्युटली इन गुड मूड, तुम पूरी तरह से एकदम फ्रीली गुड मूड में, अच्छे मूड में हो. In this way, these are the examples of simple adverb of degree, and I think all these are clear. Now, these two, affirmation and negation, these two types, I had forgotten during the first video. So I have added here simple adverb of affirmation and negation. I am going to give example, and a simple adverb of affirmation, negation are the parts of same the simple adverb. The simple adverb becomes time, place, manner, reason, frequency, purpose, degree, affirmation and negation. So all these are the example of simple adverb of reason, adverb of purpose, adverb of degree. Now example of the simple adverb of negation, sorry, affirmation and then negation. Simple adverb of affirmation. It shows positive, you can say only, mood of subject. In word one, a very easy word, you can say positive mood of subject. Means वह रिप्लाई करता है, हाँ में रिप्लाई करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका है यस, वाई नॉट, हाँ वाई नॉट, क्यों नहीं, good or very good etc. you can add, and others are also yes, why not, certainly, surely etc. There are a lot of video will belong. So example you can learn here. Yes, I am ready. Yes, you are a good boy. Certainly, I will help you. In this way, you are so finding here at place of certainly you can write here. Why not? I will help you. Why not? You are a good boy. Why not? I am ready to support you. Whatever be there. In this way, simple adverb of affirmation shows the positive mood, positive response from the side of subject, from the side of speaker, and negation. Simple adverb of negation. It shows negative mood of subject. Example: never, not at all, no, etc. Others are also example by in sentence: no, I am not ready. This is the no, qualifying and emphasizing also the whole sentence. Second, I am not at all ready to accept your proposal. In this way, you are finding that all these are showing the sense of negation, rejection. So, in this way, I think these are the example. And now, after this, what are interrogative adverb and what are relative adverb? And there is no difference between interrogative adverb and relative adverbs, because both are written by using the RWH words, that is the WH family words: what, why, when. Adverb. It asks question. यह जो है क्वेश्चन पूछता है. दिस इज द definition, short definition of interrogative adverb. And all these interrogative and relative adverb directly or indirectly part of all these simple adverbs, you can say. Example of interrogative adverb: why, that is the action. Reason, you can say. Purpose, you can say. Where, reply, asking question related to place. From where, who, which, which, I, what, which, when, that is time, etc. In this way, this word means why did you abuse him? Mark of interrogation. तुमने उसे गाली क्यों दिया? Means you shall have to give reason. I abused him because he hit me. तो आप कारण दे रहे हो ना, पर्पस कारण. So this is the reason. Second, where do you live? Mark after. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Adverb of place. You are replying here. I live in America. I live in India. I live in Agra. Or I live here. Third, from when you are in Bombay. Mark of interrogation. You shall have to reply, I am in Bombay since 2020, 2001, 1999, whatever be there. Adverb of time. In this way, it fulfills the reply after the interrogates related to all these, and you reply by adopting all these. And after this, relative adverb. It shows relationship. That's all. And nothing is to look into more. How relative adverb? I hate, I abused him. This is why he is angry with him. Other second man who is my uncle is DM. In this way, you can say that what are the relative adverbs and how relative adverbs perform the function of them. And in this way, your exercise are related to relative adverb completes, and I think there is no doubt related to any adverb. If any problem occurs, then contact me. Thank you.